Welcome to our channel. Today I will unbox and review DOMS oil pastels colored 50 shades. This is oil pastels colored. Every ambition needs preparation. It has 50 shades, superior intermixing quality for better effect. At the end of the video, I will try to test the all colors. I get one drawing pencil and one scraping tool inside this box. This is the 50 colors. It is price 190 rupees. I try to draw a pyramid with blue colors. This is a structure of a pyramid. I will try to mix some blue shades. I test and review the mixing quality. I hope the color have superior intermixing quality. For better effect, I teared some newspaper and try to intermixing with this paper. I rub the two other colors and intermixing with it. Very nice. The quality of oil pastels colored is very good. Every ambition needs preparation. So we need to prepare every day. One day you will be who you wish to be. Preparation for that day starts today. In this box, accessories, drawing pencil 1 number, scarping tools 1 number. The box or the colored made in India. Price 190. Written backside of the colored box. I get this in 130 rupees in my local market. Thanks.